taking apart the engine. Well, not taking it apart as so much as seeing what's wrong with it. As I had suspected, a bearing has failed on the number 2 piston. This is what I still have left inside. Just a bunch of gunk. Yeah, good stuff. Here's one of the shavings, also part of a bearing. And right here is what I was trying to filter out. As you can see, there is a lot in there. Yeah, it's just nothing but bearing. I'll take a better picture.